Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. I'm so excited to share an unboxing of the Not Too Shabby May 2021 subscription box. Jamie was so kind and sent this to me. I can't wait to show you everything that's included. And you may laugh, but this is a coffee themed kit, and you know how I've been lately with coffee themed paper collections. There are 3 different stamp sets included. The first one is called Yum Yum. Look at this adorable little hamster, I think. Has lots of different sentiments and all these little snacks for it to hold in its paws. The next set is called Drink the Coffee. This is definitely my style, no coloring required. So lots of great sentiments. These will look good. Heat embossed, you could use colored inks. The final stamp set is called I Heart Coffee. So some more great sentiment. There's some images. You have a little donut, some coffee cups. There's a bag of coffee beans. So lots of variety. These will be so much fun to add to the cards. There are 2 paper collections. So let me show the first one, and each of them has coordinating ephemera. So that's really fun. So this one is called Coffee and Treats. I love the colors. Pinks, there's purples and browns together. It's beautiful. There are 4 of each sheet. These are double-sided. So I'll flip through these really quickly. I love those little stripes. They look like glitter, but the papers are smooth. There's some fun pink stripes. There's little coffee cups. It says Coffee Girl on the background. Pink polka dots. Here's a sheet with the top view of a coffee cup, and then the back side has the closer view with just that detail. Some more coffee cups with polka dots. The other side has black polka dots. And this is fun. There's teacups on there, so it doesn't have to all be coffee. And then I love the pink with the gold glitter paper. And then here is the ephemera that coordinates with that Coffee and Treats collection. Now I'll speed this portion up quite a bit as I spread them out so you can see everything that's included. And all of the pieces have multiples. Some have 3, some have 2. Since I tend to make 2 of the same card, it'll be nice to have 2 of the same ephemera pieces. Now I didn't match up all the pieces exactly, but you get an idea of what's included. So lots of different drink cups. There's some treats as well, little cupcakes, donuts with the bear ears, and also the kitty. It's all so sweet. Now here's the other collection. It's called Coffee and Friends. We'll switch over to some blues and browns instead of the pinks. Now for this collection, there's 2 of each design. So I'll flip through these real quickly, and again, these are double-sided. Forgot to flip over that first one. So some of the back sides have a solid color, and I think those will work great if you want to paper piece some of those stamp sets. So we have some polka dots, lots of coffee cup images. Here's a very light ivory color, some nice stripes, there's some coffee beans, and then another sheet with coffee beans. Some just light browns with polka dots, more coffee cups. There's a few different shades of the solid brown. There's a fun polka dot paper, blues and browns. More coffee cups. And there's some more with the coffee terms in the background. It's a beautiful collection. Now I've mentioned this in previous videos this year. I don't actually like coffee. I love the smell, can't stand the taste. I live in Western Washington, and there are coffee shops everywhere. I mean, some places there's 3 of them on the same corner. You really don't have to go very far where I live if you want a cup of coffee. Now, I've really been enjoying all the coffee themed paper collections since most of my friends and family love coffee. So this is great to have cards to send to them. So there's all the coordinating ephemera. Again, there's multiples of most of the pieces. There's also a little goodie bag included in the kit. Inside there's a lollipop, and my daughter has already eaten this. There's also a small collection of sequins, some really pretty colors. And then there's the little business card that has the information for the Instagram and the hashtags you can use. And then there's also a little icon sticker for the Not Too Shabby shop. My friend Jen over at Scrapbena Creations and I are doing a collaboration together using this kit. I can't wait to see what she creates. If you are interested in purchasing the subscription box, I do have a link provided in the description box. You can purchase it individually, or you can sign up to subscribe By subscribing, you do get a 5% discount on every box. I will have some of the subscription details listed in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.